Question, boys. What are the don'ts in a relationship?
Don'ts. Usakubire mari.
Sakubire mari. Ayo, kugara usina mari yacho. Wait, unotara kuti ani pesa sakumbire mari kana
pesa ambokumbire mari.
Saka kuti
kumbira baby. Kumbira baby mari.
Zvinoita.
Yes, why not?
Zotadzane. Inokumbire. Sina ndozota.
Sha,
pakaipa. Ko wapo kumbira baby time.
Bundles no makisa
bundles.
I think kuti anangamboti msikana anokumbira airtime. Small things like airtime kan ndese namdara wako izi.
Small things like ndese namdara. Ndese
namdara wako sha.
Nezvokurukisa zese. Ndese namdara sha.
Kurukisa ndozofana zongoti oka.
Ndese namdara.
But you know like you unongoti but shako maskana things like that those wanoda. Saka kwasampa then iwe.
Abaya kurukiswa bo but
airtime no.
Ukona baby richikumbira
airtime. Small things like airtime. Boys.
Azvinikandiro band.
Ati even iseri eco cash.
Iseri eco cash.
Asaka varambe. Go iwe kumana guys. Iwe.
Where is the rhythm? Kudum, I to pull him on to pull.
Iwe, oh my G.
Take it easy. Relaxa, Sashla. The Chaco Chidi.
Maybe she a lover, bad dream, a be hard. In my room, she can be a demon's daughter, shoot a star, a be hard. In my room, maybe she a lover, bad dream, a be hard. In my room, she.
You know, I will see you. You have to say hi to a vlog though.
I told her let's go, baby. I don't know. Maybe she a lover, bad dream, a be hard. In my room.
Just choose one, and thick or slim.
Very tricky. Very tricky was simple.
Marikudzi.
Alright, chinzo on the man.
Pakadaroka, you know what? That's when I start cheating.
Wool up, nigga. Wool up. Just wool up.
Who's most likely to cheat on his girl?
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Hey guys, this is Mama Kayz. Please don't forget to cop the merch. The t-shirts are available in black, white, mint and grey. Contact the number in the description for more information. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Yes sir.
Alright, so guys, as you can see, we're having a mukbang. Pizza in, cupcakes from...
Pizza in, sponsor us, please.
Alright, then cupcakes from...
Wadzi.
They're bigger.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, serious.
Are you sure?
It's not real. You don't rate me.
Okay. Right now, today we're talking about just random controversial topics. Okay, it's not controversial, but then it's what's happening in the world.
Pineapple on pizza.
Exactly, pineapple on pizza. It's a good thing. I was thinking the pineapple. I don't know tea.
Who does any lessons?
Alright, so guys, privacy issues between children and parents. What do you think about that?
Amazing. It's a huge topic.
Mm-hmm.
In the sense that we were raised in different societies. We were raised in a society where it's believed, and I sound like I'm in a debate. In a society where it's believed that parents and children are not friends.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the parent is meant to tell you what to do. Henceforth, a child or one feels obligated with whatever I am doing.
Mm.
My parent doesn't have to know because they're either going to tell me off. If from Zimbabwe, banned street.
I'm good.
Chino chiri padhuze.
It's not acceptable in this household. Say non
But also it depends. Are we talking about Manane 18 years? Kana Manane 12 years?
Any age if it's an African home.
At 18 years, is it okay?
Talk about 18 years. Because you can still have restrictions when you're 18.
When you're 18.
I know people when they kind of 20 something watch kumbira ubuda.
Yeah, it's true.
Wadzanai
kumbira ubuda.
Yo munya watu kumbira ubudere.
3 days before.
3 business days.
And yet it's totally ngota ndakubuda.
But strategy.
Do you think it's a good thing, like
It brings structure into a household.
structure?
I like what to kumba in a structure.
That's a structure. That's a structure in the household. In that household, it's not structure. It's not defined as structure. I think I can give you an example. When we're at school, if I'm going to DH or somewhere else, I'm going to be like, Kayz, DH. You've got an idea of where I am. Wakanzonzi kune munhu adhungwa nemota ku DH. What's your first instinct? You're going to say munya. You're going to think about me. Now we have got a situation yekuti andistomboziva kuti uri kupi. Ndonzwa kuti kune munhu adhungwa. I'm just going to be like, Kayz is okay. Kayz is sleepy.
I get where you're coming from.
Cold pizza slabs.
But Auntie, the topic was privacy issues, guys. Are you allowed to lock your room within your parents' house?
What we take? Charles would not say.
Bedroom yangu. Makanipire bedroom.
Okay.
But bedroom yacho iri mumba mangu.
Azvine
Neimba here.
saka padro pacho mune muchisireki.
No, that
Okay, but unenge uchitei?
Alright, iwo panoloka do wanenge achitei.
Okay, I'm pretty sure everyone. Okay, I'm pretty sure everyone's had that moment when they were a kid, with the parents were like, let's see your phone.
No, I didn't.
You didn't?
I didn't.
Turn the one for it up.
It is it?
Where's your
Phone
phone?
yako.
Phone yako.
Here is it?
No.
Your parents saying, let's see your phone.
Oh, my phone.
Ulimfana.
Ulimfana? No. That's about your phone now. I'm telling you.
And I remember there was a time when
Why go and unlock a phone yako?
no, I'm gonna pass it incorrect. That's
Someone.
then I went to ask, I'm like, cool, why are you touching my phone? Why didn't you just ask? My winner over the phone I can locate in the first place. Look, one to say 20 is room for that.
Okay, no, but is it about safety or it's about just being nosy? Where's the line between that? I want to make sure you're safe and you're doing the right thing and do not turn out to put out what's kind of
I can give
where's
an
the line?
example of myself. I've never put a password on my phone up until I was in university.
Seriously?
Because
primary.
because unongor kuti phone yangu ikazobiwa, you know. But anyways.
Okay, yeah.
What if there was a particular girl?
No, he says about it.
You know, it was that time of the month. She texts me. My quan gets hold of my phone. She reads the conversation. Jehovah. That's when was into some prayer.
What
are you looking for?
There was a time I was sleeping. I'm sleeping. Around, I think, on my 11 on the phone. And then somehow my mom came in my room, and then for phone, I'm going to message. I ain't guess na but there's a girl I know
Ninki.
Let me just say this.
What was her name?
There's a girl on Wadzanai. I've text Rati and in the morning we have to talk about something. About something.
What does she want to talk about?
I want to go to your teacher. I don't know how far. But Jara, my dad was a clown. My dad was a clown.
Alright, TVs and social media. Do they bring negativity?
Negativity.
Do they have negative effects on kids?
It's subjective.
Peer pressure.
How so?
I know it's a subjective issue. One's career can start on social media. One can be inspired by social media. One can learn from social media. We're in a society where depression, mental health is just, you know, getting accepted because people are learning more about it through social media, through televisions. And the negative impact, munanotofunga kuti atoriana paipai. Utoona munhu akutofamba akashama paipai imwe akutongoita imwe because imwe amenochiita.
But the next question, guys. Pananga mapoza anoita nemababy so.
Which ones?
Nematoes.
I've got questions about that. Pani mefuti yekupota moneketa. Kananga kadaiso. I know, but you know one longer seen, but no, she's trying to show.
Alright, so his question now. Kuite bathroom. Umbotori mapicha bathroom. Doiro wakariloka because unoze ndodore garovumza uloka umba. Why are you using the bathroom? Zviitire lounge. Tsika sofa ramai vako.
Why?
Why?
Tsika sofa ramai vako.
Why? The question is why?
Do my trends are evil, guys.
Social media.
What's unoshita we?
What's unoshita? Why not? Why not?
Negative effects on you.
she's
Mira, saka udawa endo chenjere manja. Achicheka simbe. Chindikatidza.
Ndo chitu.
Live. Cheka simba. Too strong.
Saka vanhu ruwa iyo aendo chitu.
Ndo anobvunzira endo chenjere.
But no point. Pamwe ari kutomanikidza kuenda kuchechi.
Aiwa, not
Ndo hapana
even.
wasikaenda usade school achenga chikotiza.
Nyaya yekuti ndinoenda kuchechi pano. Nyaya yekuti handina kazvokuratidza zvachiraka.
Pana vasina but anongotry. Vanosaka effort.
But it's got a really bad effect on kids, guys. Social media. Oh my days.
Especially when you're in Zimbabwe. Twitter, unoshare post. Twitter no diesel man.
Nah, Twitter.
That's another one. The social media affects relationships.
As in love relationships, at all relationships.
Relationship. Because no one feels like like a picture.
Not the. Wanga atombo for me. Uru like my pictures of my vaskana kutoshai. Okay, no, but case. Uru posta my heart, nema fire emoji pa my pictures of my.
Rakanaka ka.
Saka pangu dozo posta chi.
Me, I don't comment. I just like. Who like it? Double tap because
I'm for me, I actually don't like pictures that much on IG. Don't you go put on your
Can I remove pictures of boys? Then yeah, that's fine. But if I scan, imagine I'm scrolling per Instagram and it.
Like
My pictures is under kuona pangona mingia like.
If you had to go on my IG,
Eh.
there's a picture I posted of us when we had the braai here. It's no longer there.
When?
Ever ask yourself why?
Why?
I posted a picture with my friend. My girlfriend. Yeah. It was an issue.
Uri kuposta picture imwe mskana.
Guys,
She is one of my realists.
Okay, is your girl on your Instagram?
No.
Saka, you've got another girl on your Instagram and I'm not there.
But it's necessary.
Saka muna vela pa page yako.
That's necessary.
Saka uri kuposta imwe maskana.
look what affect my relationship at Kuta. You do not need to be posted every time.
If you had to ask those guys,
Postani.
I posted on a regular.
I always know.
You work so good, guys. Because you on a video. Next.
Yeah, next. If we have a call and it's at 10 p.m. We've been talking for 2 hours, and then we say goodnight. And then at 11, I'm seeing you on your active social media. We wanted to good night.
Good night.
I can't be talking to you 24/7. I can give an example of. I can give an example myself. And I've got a business line. I've got a personal line. I've got customers texting me on my personal line to try my customers.
My 11.
At 11.
Their customers. I've got customers when they. 24 hours. It's my business hours.
Yes, manager.
Go on my business line. It's written 24 hours. Call me any time of the night. What Munya? I need business services.
Yeah.
No, what's a good thought? No, right now I'm not in the space.
I'm not in the office.
Office, I'm in bed. I want to
ask one question. Is it a must to do every day, man?
Check up, man. Check up, man.
Like every day.
Yeah.
Andy?
Okay, what if someone?
Every day.
What if the other half is not in the right state of mind to be on a call?
Okay, Casey, what do you think?
Anzi?
Andy, go every day.
Go every day.
Mira
inzonzi. Go every day.
Every day.
Sometimes I so good.
All often every day.
Also, the thing is, sometimes so fun.
Obvious.
To text. You can text to send them a VN and stuff.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Listen.
State of mind. Cause I can have a time where I'm like, I want calls and calls and calls. I want like 3-hour calls, stuff like. Then there will be other times I just generally, me personally, I generally don't want to speak. It's not you. It's not what I just generally don't.
No, it's clearly me. I was not on a name.
No,
not you. Chinzoka Wadzanai. Chinoitika paipa isashandi. Uzona, atana ubasa kunoti pa data. Tiri kugara no.
When you're married, what are you gonna do?
Give me my space.
Give me your space.
Listen. Mira, there's something which is called a man cave. Why is there a man cave?
No, but eventually we're going to rara and it.
Eh.
And we'll be in the same bed. Eventually, Maneru, I'm going to be the last person you see and talk to.
Oh.
So might as well start practicing now.
Every day, Maneru.
Oh, you have to go sugar to 30 minutes. TV.
No, do you know there's a difference between talking in person and talking on the phone?
Okay.
Yeah, it's different.
No, like, because my feelings are you reach a point, my feelings are good. I'm just not in the mood. when you get married, you'll be like, Sha, I'm just not in the mood to be talking to you.
No, but yeah, there's a point in time we have to respect each other's silence.
Okay.
No, like, okay, let's say you have a boyfriend, right? You're just watching or you're just chilling. Won't you have a time where you're just chilling in silence?
Standard.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just a moment.
So I've got a question. Panya social media in my relationships. Nya ku share my password.
No.
Maya.
No.
My brothers are not there, my boy.
If you go looking for something, you find it.
Why am I? Wait, no, that's not a no. That's not a correct statement, guys. You can't say that.
Okay, no, it's not correct, but then
it's not okay.
Nah, it's correct.
It depends.
It's correct.
At the same time, you shouldn't be looking into
I'm sending
your partner's phone. If you don't trust them, there's a red sign. Just break it off.
It's not that I don't trust you, but you don't go now to Rutauranan.
That's trust.
So now listen. I can't say the names. But Munacho is probably watching. Text 0. And that is everything, G. Okay. And the next day the person is just like, I'm sorry. Then I'm like, is there something you really want to talk about? Are there some unresolved feelings or whatever
that I don't know about?
Now, think of yourself, going through your man's phone. What's going to come through your mind?
Obvious.
But I'm trying to diffuse a situation.
No, but why do you need to look into someone's phone when you trust them?
Okay, cool.
Sometimes you have to share.
No.
For fingerprint.
Yeah.
Putting my fingerprint. That's okay.
That's okay. But then the moment you use that fingerprint
to go
without me there,
social media.
Without you there. Nine.
No, it's trust, but the moment you start going through
I
it
trust
without
you, but don't go on.
No, this is waiting.
Don't go no gallery about it.
If you ask me, no, listen. If you ask me, then I give you. But if you go by yourself without asking, even though I've got nothing to hide, it's still
okay.
I feel like
you
think.
So where's the line between trust and privacy?
Don't go through someone's phone. Simple. If you don't trust them, tell them I don't trust.
Because of such and such and such and such.
But that's gonna strain your relationship.
No, but you know what? My businesses and it's not that even the president of a country. It's not that we don't trust you, but everyone needs to be audited.
Auditing is done to give transparency.
Transparency.
Right. But what transparency do you need? You stay with me 24/7. When Uruguayanda it's transparent. toilet and shandisa is transparent.
Semkomana wangu.
It's some woman now. So there are two mattress issues.
Aiwa. You can't tell Odita Kuti on mattress issues. You can't tell Odita Kuti you're accusing me of corruption.
No. And Odita is an external individual we're calling into
to look at how we're spending
organization.
Our money.
To look at how we're spending our money. Where fault is, where there's no fault, where we are losing money. Saka, you are not an auditor. Look for an external individual to come.
Looking for money. Next question.
Okay,
don't
next
touch
question.
your partner's phone.
Don't
ask
without their permission.
Touch your partner's phone.
Ask first. Is school really necessary?
It is necessary.
School.
Yeah,
it is. It's necessary.
It is.
To what level?
It's not necessary, guys.
Why?
Do you mean university or primary high school in general?
Primary high school, both. University is not necessary.
Oh, yeah, no, that one is subjective. That one is subjective.
University is
I think that's the best answer to this question. It's subjective.
It's not dependent.
Because I was talking with a friend sometime, Kuti, in Ini, I want to be a manager, marketer. I'm exercising my passion already. Isn't there a way just to teach me how to be a manager or just a marketer from the age of,
I don't think you need varsity to be a marketer.
I don't.
Or a manager.
I don't. I don't need quantitative analysis. What the fuck? I hate that guy. Tarambong.
Which brings to another.
Is math necessary?
If you're watching and you don't have the finances to go to school, don't think, Kuti, you need school to make it in life.
You don't. Come to me.
If you have the opportunity
I do
to go to school, then go.
Chikoro has no future.
It depends what you say. It depends what you say.
If I want to be a doctor, you can't tell me kuti chikora achina.
In Vaga, ukaita the programming in Suro. Then you just go to
because Vaga is also about the experience.
Yeah, experience.
My connections, networking. Because when I chat is another Nasika, these will be people who will be like the strive myself tomorrow.
Yeah.
So you never know.
But imagine India angonoti, but the big Buddha.
Obvious.
But is watching YouTube videos more beneficial than reading books?
It's not, I don't think.
It is. Because you can learn by YouTube,
Yeah. We learn differently. We've got what we call visual learners.
Oh, yeah.
Do on YouTube. Quite in I listen.
Okay. What way YouTube would?
I've never used.
Okay, let's talk about my degrees. I don't need school. My career, I think I need a school.
Anything in medicine. Anything medical. Anything in the medical field. Needs YouTube.
Anything that needs the qualification, law,
accounting. Alright, guys. Is there anything else?
No.
I think, guys.
Guys, I'm encouraging you. Kumbire mari. Because
for the girl. After how long can I ask for money for airtime?
Unokwanisa kumuka wakarambwa kumbira mari ipapo because unozotoshaye kumbira ukazongonzawo munhu ati
munyandipa here ndikakumbira mari yeairtime semusikana wavo
mirega tombotaza timbone mari yacho endokutumira balance uzive kuti handina mira apa ndaitoda kuita equation inquiry. Transaction failed.
Insufficient.
With insufficient ID. If I know the numbers that due to you have insufficient funds to perform this transaction.
Can I ask you, is that a red flag?
Vans full stop.
Can I ask you now?
Yeah, can I see now? Hana,
Bang.
No, ndikakukumbira mari airtime. Usina. Is that a red flag?
No.
It's not a US.
It's not a red flag. Who said it kuti usamrambe nas because mangwana anokwanisa kuita some.
Obvious, I were obvious.
Is atizodinkana dzekuti I dated that guy. Yeah.
I need to go there.
Asatane mari.
Yeah.
What?
Because a lot of the times, this is actually in Yaya last year, where guys, you will say she was with me from the bottom and she'll take care of you. Achukubatira rent, achukubatira everything, and then once you do make it, you then sideline her.
That means that he was never in love.
Yeah.
He was in it for the money.
Yeah.
No, but a lot of guys do that. So
Which
in
guys?
any same scanner, do I then leave him?
Leave.
See,
Because that's the trend, Neva Kumana. That is the trend, and you can't deny that.
no, effort is mutual, but if it's one-sided, then leave.
No, but he's genuinely struggling right now, and I'm okay.
You can notice effort in an individual who's struggling.
Like, let me tell
Okay,
you.
I get what you mean. Eh.
That's the first thing I said. If a guy wants money, he will hustle for that money.
Anotokutengera maputi ne drink. The
small things.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Okay, my broad's birthday. I had $0, 0 cents. But in a space of how many? In a month, I raised enough money to make the perfect birthday that I had pictured in my head. That's when you know, because a guy can hustle.
Effort,
that's the effort you're talking about. He doesn't have money. I'm like, shit, I don't have money.
Yeah. We'll talk about excuse so I can't take you out for your birthday.
Exactly.
Wow.
There's a difference. That's when you know this guy is actually down for me or he's not.
Yeah. If he's struggling, at least he should have effort.
At least kwavo ukubikirana sadza.
Okay guys.
Nemaguru kana mazondo ari mfiriji ya mama. But musaudzana mama because
that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it.
Maguru anonaka team.
Alright, Munye.
Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to Casey's channel. Please subscribe to Wadzanai's channel. Links will be in the description. And that's it for the vlog.
Mukbang. Let's go to mukbang.
I'm so much my cupcake. Rate my cupcakes, please.
I want you to rate it.
Yeah, rate my cupcakes.
Guys, I'm the rater, you guys.
Gadzira ka rose.
Rujerana.
Mira, rigandinotaridza kamera.
Takanganoita biro yechikafu.
Yeah, we actually needed that.
Anotenga mangu mapizza.
Right, testing 1 2. Ready?
Mira gandipi mufeso wangu.
Nei ndatonyimwa
chama. Watonyimwa neteam boys ari kude.
Joking.
Ndazinzwa.
You're gonna cut that out.
Ndazinzwa.
Kids.